Yɛda ɔbɔ ɔde na se sɛ ayɛ na adom ne pɛ na ɔde ne den so akyɛ yɛn na daromenti na yɛte aseɛ na daromenti na mogya edi emu afofiri yɛde na se akɔrɛ sɛ nyina so mede ndi akwasi nsia asɛm ne kabrɛ na aduru so kwekwane na abadwafo nkomo kɛse pa a ombedi ntino akwasi sɛ meyɛ na me makwan ma abadwafo etimi di enkomo asɛm di kan yɛnti live on Facebook Adom TV. Adom TV. Also on YouTube, so Adom TV. Here videos be ba begu hɔ no mu a ɛna no pa so benya bi ahwɛ na de. Na bia meka sɛ komoni ye di a ya fa so ho hyem bi. So, fa ho hyem no matter your political stand, fa ho hyem because for the purpose and good of Madagana. Every no na make catch on if for example the 24-hour economy succeeds. And yet NDC as a political party, and yet Mahama led NDC government quite a benya so faso, and your memoin nada, and the benya so faso. The same way as I don't know, yeah. And yet this phone could the best safa. And then yet Mahama administration quite a best safa, and your memoin na. So it beholds on me no say. Near Equa Equino, you be cashin penny phone crying, abo mabaso, abo more piafo. No, what me you don't why any more. Why, yes, not X, and you are too much that be ready. And you win a mocatcha ye, and then X ya. I can find a bit to me a boy, or manage it, no. Betting ye be any home. So now, and you remember who say the Attorney General, whereby my may Attorney General letter no. I should let a miss Eddie Aquacoma, Peripono, and a da Yoko, ano a year Remon Acha. As a onion she will be and fancy and Sembia. So about illegal mining. Yeah, so I mean, what so letter na? Mam letter no na yeni honko. Okay, so this is the Attorney General's letter to the Executive Director Yoko. Also, directive to investigate allegation of illegal mining activities by named individuals. And to this time, no, or my specific. Attorney General say, I write to direct your esteemed office to initiate investigations into suspected illegal mining activities being perpetrated by certain individuals within mining districts in the country. This directive is born out of growing public concern, corroborated by media report and intelligence regarding the involvement of some citizens in unauthorized mining operations, generally called Galamsey, that are blatant contravention of the provision of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703, as amended by Act 995. These activities not only flout our mining regulations, but also gravely endanger our water bodies, forest reserves, and local livelihoods. As your office is aware, His Excellency the President has consistently reiterated his government firm commitment to eradicating illegal mining and restoring sanity to the natural resource governance regime in Ghana. In line with this national stance and pursuant to your mandate under the Yoko Act 2010, Act 804, I am directing your office to invite the following persons named in recent credible report for interrogation, namely Mr. Yakubu Abanga and Mr. Joseph Yamin. Additionally, you are to investigate any other person found to be complicit in these unlawful mining activities. The scope of this investigation should include the matters highlighted in the Professor Frimpong Boaten's report on illegal mining. Furthermore, considering the regulatory oversight role of the Minerals Commission, you may invite the Chief Executive Officer of the Commission to assist in the investigations. I trust that Yoko will treat this matter with the urgency and gravity it deserves in order to uphold the rule of law and ensure the integrity of our extractive governance framework. Yours in the service of the Republic, Dr. Dominic Akurungi Ayene, MP, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice. So the Attorney General, they are credible reports. They are credible reports. The underlying factor, some report Attorney General letter no. I said they are credible report for emphasis. Or say Okay. Mama, a person to blah 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 name. Okay, this directive is born out of growing public concern, corroborated by media report and intelligence. Because the intelligence regarding the involvement of some citizens in unauthorized mining operations, generally called a Galamsey. As your office aware, His Excellency is governing a firm commitment in eradicating illegal mining to natural resource governance. In line with this, Yakubu, Joseph, Yamin, the scope of this issue also, it's a 20 January. Dienti a wakache yoko so wonya sa enhwemu. Enano mbe gina hanmu a it was an appeal to a more illegal mining. Nebi mso ashase had an under Kufuado time. Now you have mentioned a Kufuado name. Say Kufuado should do something. What did they do, John? So you are making an appeal to illegal miners. Makacham say they are soldier for ako, Ankusiaga. Ye they are police for ako, Ankusiaga. Ye the ministries best say edu abum. So be afanim the emra Ankusiaga. We need to talk, quote unquote, sense into the heads of our brothers. Tell them about time na mama eko edebano. It should be of your concern. Yes, it can't go and say we be fear. Obi no chiri for Asem pakodo. Sika se the Bible crack na eye ade nyina ye. Hwekunkuru so ka se ye wade nyina ho kwa na nyina so ne fata ye. So I continue to ask for how long e betimi akoso edi sika pe echi. Ni asai omeja pade. That is what the Attorney General was referring us to. Say this act no e affect your livelihood. Livelihood ye nwa na ebedi and so ko ye kwabretu awdu a ye di aye emfudi a Galamsey fui etuni nyina agu. So that's why people are even asking, $1 bafom. Is the enyane a credit free conform aso ba no bafom. Ade ti na enyane edua o ye mam no ne bo okosoro. Na bode bo osoro. Mankani, bayire, jene, meko, tomatoes. We ye niema ye dua e wo ye man mu o. Ya ke ye hwenu say at least se conform aso de ekura bafom a ka ye benya direct impact but yenya. It could be one of the reasons say. And you queer do nyina ye him ni nyina to agu. Na me ti apa bi ono so owo ekoko afuo. No be ye koko no because of the bema Galamsey force ye tuna ye man kakra ni. This kind of mentality o man be dey tumpo. Tell me sra awofo no, awofo na momma ewo mu no. Mu no won kasa. Na bedrum na bi enso ho ba ye den no e bia na aba na anya sika na ankra nso ni bi mu e bedu be bi mu ba ye den no e bia na aba ankra anya sika ankra nso ni bi. And Attorney General mentioned nipa mienu as Joseph Yamin na Abanga Yakubu, who is a vice chairperson of the NDC, and apparently be komo to tell us the side of this story, because this according to the Attorney General painting a picture, say, we're picking intelligence and credible report. Yeah, they say Joseph Yamin and Abanga are directly involved, allegedly, involved in this act of illegal mining. We need to put a question straight to him. Near Misano, what he makes of this position of the Attorney General. Then to our police and Yoko and OSP and the rest, I don't think so. We need to say Attorney General made a directive answer. It's clear. It's part of your mandate. If I Attorney General can say, I'm picking intelligence, the intelligence now picked by Yoko, police, military, and the rest. So if he's taking the Attorney General to direct Yoko, your men and officers on the field, and you're in the office, so on the field. Oh my God, so I'm watching a pay.
Well, I could see me, Joseph. Maybe I come.
Yametiasi.
Well, I'm wondering whether the Attorney General will be an referee to me or what, because I don't know why the Interior Ministry is there. Yoko Shas, yeah. Since when did the Attorney General started giving directives to intelligent bodies? Out of place. Kwa Professor Frimpong Boateng report to be Attorney General. Please. I think that sometimes politicians, I don't know, when you have power, you assume that the whole world is for you and you can do everything at any point in time. Rule of law, rule of our emotions and how we feel. We see your right in resetting her. Now, Attorney General there, where then go directly Yuko. Or no, share interiors, Who co directing so no go nhwemu no go or san kwa nko Professor Frimpong. Nti e ba advice na dem. It's a slap on our intelligent bodies' normal face. I think we are just being, sometimes we give room for suspicion. Inti trimpo papa cry de ya de bia no. We will not akwahi bibi e wo no. We have the CID, we have the NIB, we have the National Security, we have the Yoko. Are we saying all these people are not capable until there's a directive from the AG? And Maka, AG obijina one morning na bedi echo mu to be prosecuting the part at once. Amun ko court omun e no makika. Zipa unkakasika.
Unse 1 month aba.
Yeah.
1 month was on the 13th.
You're not helping the cause of His Excellency the President of the land. This is the reality. But Mabatonyum cross Nikiti. Every blessed day there's a news item that the previous administration are messing up what we have as a country. And look at what the results are. Nyum tuonkwa on social media. Every day.
Abenkona Neabanga
and all this. I mean, I don't even. I thought I was the guy now of this slogan by baby Ubiabidi.
Yeah. Okay.
Until just this morning, and I'm getting to know is the brother.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't know. Because when the picture behind me, now MPP at this point in time, why do you want to even get close to some of these things, if it's the case? Yeah, Mr. Abanga, it is saying.
Yeah, Mr. Mimia.
And he's talking like the brother. How? Now, why do you get yourself involved in such a mess?
Well, Erika, I make sure what you're going now. Now, mother was near Koya. But the claims made by the Self-Styled Consent Smoking Miners Association, Ghana, ISM, Galamsey, and now I'm extorting monies from illegal miners or Galamseyers with some task force. But I think there's also a different contradictory based on the Attorney General release, any information, maybe in Reiki. But anyway, as a party, I have a Bambo my main interest, I say,
Okay, so Mr. Abanga, forgive me, but my question is directed per what the Attorney General has directed Yoko to do. Also based on intelligence. Or arrival at a point or actually say, only minya yamin. Mana mutu for magudia, muntu no kwa papaso. You are indulging yourself in an illegality.
And let me also place it on record that without any equivocation, I have absolutely no hands in Galamsey activities in the country.
That's it.
I have lived my life dignified with integrity. That is why 3 days ago I issued a release that whoever has anything to do with Galamsey against me should come out publicly to put it up for the public to scrutinize.
So at no point in time now I extort to be say, oh, your task force leader Biana. At no point in time now, what could your concession be now? Why at no point in time is that what it means?
I challenge anyone who claims otherwise to be bold and point it to me directly. If I've ever extorted money from any miner or seized anything belonging to miners, let them mention my name publicly, and I'll be prepared to carry the cross.
But what concession?
No concession, but as we speak, I'm in Yajuma, many.
But what concession away?
and it concession, and they say companies you have directors and others. So
but it's legitimate. It's legitimate. It's legitimate. So there's no cause for alarm. It's legitimate.
Yes,
Once we talk about this,
I know. But we say be partners. You know, concession they are not mining. No, some of them are access various stages to.
So what you and your partners are doing here, more practicing legal mining. Is that the case?
100%, brother.
Okay, so must subletting part of your concession for other people to do, you know, yenchendi Botswana.
I wouldn't say mine in Libya. If you want to fight, the government is young, many of the best I don't want to go much into it because my main focus as a government, any party about power, and
but this is your party. This is your party. This is your party.
Yes.
O party and Kasana. Yes. On say the money fe. Ne esa money ehu ne say. O party and Kasa Attorney General. Ana Ashe Iyoko Ejimako ne say wo third vice chair and the national organizer of the party in power. Are you not worried?
But that's what I'm saying. You see, the Attorney General rushed. And as a licensed small-scale miner, I should be promoting transparent mining and practicing the best mining practices in the country, not rather doing the opposite. And the Attorney General equally mentioned, many honorable Joseph Yamin. I have not engaged Honorable Yamin for a quite number of days. The last time I met Honorable Yamin was at Ablikumanot. And there was no anything of that such in relation to mining discussion there. I just a minute from Task Force be and Galamsey, baby boom. Everyone said something of that sort as a national vice chairman of the party. I said the national chairman of the party 3 hours. Meet a young year twice, and I national chairman, I am energy super zoka and a woho. And Sana party, you know. What even stops him from calling me chairman? Saying that near my idea, Yatia found you want say 1 year, not to defy your local air. Of course, member Rasu, many of them. And I mean, you will be a mean to me and family who see if say Ghana ye na ye penny ye yo. It is Yaba Ben so near my abandoned the Chomacono, and to me ye. Any near my cat, sending near my course, Untin and Namswa, ye born to a catch a Ghana for say, ye montua by my eye, Namswa, Umotua by ye winning overwhelmingly a bookser, ye declare by me. In the Kakamidia, and say, your main focus as a government, ever say illegal mining and crime in the Bepaso, every 2 years. Ye more says to ye more a 2 year, a buying forest, ego. Yemuna a dear Quabenny, the first Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Ayad, Pasha, Menokas about 7 forest reserve, which me are reclaim back. A Binswaka, still my illegal miners negotiating a woman.
Okay, so within this week, if you avail yourself, maybe this is extra and common, but I want to be specific to Nkomo. Now, the surety is that yourself, when you're involved in anything illegal, about a year mining. Is that the case?
I don't have any hand in anything concerning illegal mining.
So and again, let me state the points so that we can get the clarity well. You are not involved in any illegal mining. Fantastic. 2, you are not a part of any task force. Yatia, mode extra to Abia. Is that the case?
Fantastic. If anybody has any claim of that against me, they should put it to public.
Okay, so finally.
And let me also add a quick one before. There's the press release from the Self-Styled Small-Scale Miners Association, or the so-called, said the number which is 02444254231, purportedly belonging to one Andrews Aban, is in fact registered to Roland Abudogo. And this point out clearly of impersonation and deceit. Just a calculation, mere calculation that they intend to just, dent my heart and reputation. And these are reputations are built over the years. Now, obi onim wo party mu bia be ka kire me nua say me obi aba party sem ni ade a me fa ni agro na eba ade nso a edi sabi mpanifo sika ento ani monyam. It mean anything. It is integrity first. It's not money.
Okay, so finally, party national executives omudi kan yi was tracer na mo to be say nebeba and I say intelligence bodies they minimum frail say cratchy. Why buy na was you careful and I want to when you ati into you careful just you know be corner pepe bibi sa buy.
Me pa so me nia obi an frame me. Obi an frame. Obi an ka hen kire me.
Did you oti an
me yire na ka kire me say say yoku ehwam wo TV3 wa hu information wo TV3. I do 11:33, 11:34, 11:34 p.m. at the time.
You could share what TV3.
Me say me nam kwasu kofi na me yire frame say. Again what it na me say ana say ben asi. O say me hu information say atone Jonas say you could one frame. Na oye Galamsey. Na ebe no so dey free hand eba. Na me say and one train na me yekọ. Me ko na me ye meeting na me wi a me ko nti eba no say na umum na atifi no ate na me ha sabi me wo even mu na me de menti ye.
Ba yoko for afro.
So far yoko frame me.
I see. But CID for afro.
Obi an frame. But mo frame me ko me nua. Obi a obe frame me bia me ko and I'm well prepared to go to anywhere whoever calls me.
All right.
And I will avail myself because I'm a law abiding citizen. And I did mean ye me call me through. Na me nua say aban na ye wu me say ka say nke be say don ye wo ma ye party. Etina ye mu bi yan call for appointment ni ade a ye ka mu say ye be some party for no. Na ya hwe ni ya pa adwuma ma maburu no anya bia ye. Na ka say nke ye say ye ho wo party ni mu na ye say amanfo din a. Ke betima ye bebri me nua. Ke betima ye kwa ma na bo.
Jina. Hey. When must walk on must pass all the back.
Me nua.
Jina. Fortunately for you, a teacher for me and lawyer ni bako. And you're careful about your choice of words. Where would the conditional clause be able to unim be able to me aka. Just say bibi wo ho say yaka.
We say ya bind there young. Enti enya dia yimu bi menam ebe nam me abanga yakubala hasa.
That is just a simple matter. You on your ma e koso wo ho a. What show ho so nya sanka no me be si ne nya dwuma ketwa.
No crepa me nua ene de no crepa.
Say am person oka.
No crepa.
Let's no me koso.
Bibiri na embe pamu no. Ye beke. Na wo mu pe Galamsey ni dia. E no ma yira wo bie kwan. Because Galamsey e mi sakomo no be bie wo sakomo no. Ba ko to atako ni gislego. E mu bia Galamsey ni ho. E ti Galamsey be bia Galamsey wo no. O mu ko we.
Wow. But Okasa with that boldness and confidence, it means that nobody in your mark super or Galamsey ho.
Minia. Bese aha kwa. Na mesre. Ye ba yi bese. Mobile baby I want to boa party for no.
Ujini se kwa mo kutia for magudi e ntu no ne kwa so no. The men na nam ne kwa so bi e kwa kama sa.
Of course. Ye tu phone ade. Ye friend minister land minister ni abribia ye friend no talk that we be
even see because sampan chance here troubles you are even see. Okay, so Abanga, thank you but kwasi de nyen had you said wadarma I said the whole court to jina kwanche obekasa sa okudu court bia wa afi no ze ye bo tansa na afi wakoya de for eti han de emu one for that yeah, can say the Attorney General, even though me believe says go through a proper channel, no, into I am from so. What shall say any sure. And I believe that is regime say Juma. And the regime should be fair, fair. I had the AI who say, yeah, the intangible be pet, jump into that conclusion. And they be other maybe used to say case study the quiet cathedrali. The Kumine are revered personalities now, I don't mean I question got them. And it's gone. how to bring their name back, it takes the mercies and grace of God. If we don't stop, say, the propaganda and politicization, today we sit here and we are saying that Abanga cannot be said say, or involved in that illegal act. We can only conclude when we get to the courts and the courts assign it, say, that is the situation Abanga finds himself in. You understand? Into what that's it. For bringing this matter up. Now, no man who difference. Still me who difference the move. Baku watching Bakwana. Abanga Baku watching Bakwana.
Yeah, but no one can say else one penny on watching.
So is the Jinapo brothers too in Abanga?
I say Jinapo brothers.
Abanga 1 and 2.
Making sure they are all positioned when his political parties.
Chia mayor, not chia lawyer.
Oh yeah. Kumasi mayor.
Chia mayor, not chia lawyer.
Incoming MP. Oh, my first year.
Lawyer Kwaba.
Yeah.
Mayor, that is a former mayor. Says you will come out Daruma. No, but on what year?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Oh, before say, Betun Sabak, or Nimishia.
Oh, good.
Benini come on. Oh, may I have the notion, say, yeah, Chichri or Maya, notwithstanding baby Jinami. I said that Juniper, a teacher of mine. It gets to the benefit of all of us.
Good.